In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund Bluehost. If you're considering canceling your hosting plan with Bluehost and need to request a refund, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process together and make sure it's as seamless as possible for you. First things first. To kick off the refund process, you need to get in touch with Bluehost's customer support team. Now, you might wonder what options you have for contacting them. One of the quickest and most convenient ways is through their live chat feature. Simply head over to the Bluehost website and look for the chat bubble icon, usually located on the bottom right corner of the page. Clicking on this will connect you to a customer support representative who can assist you further. Before you start the chat, it's important to be prepared with all the necessary details. This means having your account information readily available. Your account number is a key piece of information you'll need. If you're not sure where to find this, you can usually locate it in your account settings or the welcome email you received when you first signed up. Additionally, it's crucial to clearly understand the reason for your cancellation. Whether it's due to a change in your needs, a shift to a different platform, or perhaps even a technical issue you encountered, clearly articulating this reason will help the Bluehost team assist you more efficiently. Once you're in the chat with a support representative, initiate the conversation by expressing your intent to cancel and request a refund. At this point, be ready for some security questions to verify your identity. This step is standard as they need to ensure they're assisting the rightful account holder. Providing accurate answers will smooth out the verification process. Remember, courteous and clear communication is key here. Despite the reason for your cancellation, maintaining a polite tone will help the process go smoother. Should the support representative offer alternative solutions or incentives to retain your business, feel free to consider them, but remain firm on your decision if you're set on canceling. Finally, once everything is verified and your request is processed, make sure to ask for confirmation of the cancellation and the timeline for the refund. Sometimes, getting a confirmation email can be helpful for your records. Keep an eye on your bank statements over the next few days to ensure the refund is processed correctly. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to requesting a refund from Bluehost. By preparing your details ahead of time and maintaining a clear line of communication with the support team, you can navigate this process effortlessly. If you have any further questions or need additional help, Bluehost support is there to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video made the process easier for you.